When joining the US Navy back in 2011, the goal wasn't medals or rank. It was service, growth, and a challenge. The journey began in the galley, cooking for hundreds of sailors, working long hours and keeping morale alive. It may not sound glamorous, but every role matters at sea. And it was in that kitchen where leadership lessons began to take shape. Cooking under pressure taught time management, teamwork, and the importance of serving others. Leadership wasn't about a title. It was about showing up, doing the work, and earning respect. That same drive carried forward from high school jobs and sports into the Navy, always hungry to grow, to learn, to push past comfort. Mentors, books, and seasoned officers showed that real leaders don't just give orders from afar. They lead by example, they build trust, and they never stop learning. The path from cook to commissioned officer was anything but easy. It required discipline, humility, and plenty of late nights. But grit carried the process forward, a reminder that small beginnings can shape great leaders. Today, as a surface warfare officer, those early mornings in the galley aren't forgotten. They ground the perspective that leadership is about building people up, listening, and mentoring the next generation of sailors. The journey proves that where you start doesn't define you. What matters is how you show up every single day. Whether it's flipping burgers, standing watch, or leading on the bridge, effort and attitude create momentum. Military service has shaped discipline, focus, and a passion for serving others, both at sea and back home, through mentoring and giving back. From cook to commission, the story is proof that greatness doesn't come overnight. It's forged in hard work, resilience, and the decision to never give up. That's the power of grit. That's the power of growth. And that's the true heart of leadership.